Anson County Partnership for Children presents The Best Time is Story Time. Today's story is entitled Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Story by Eric Lentwin, aka Mr. Eric, art by James Dean. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. 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 It's question time, boys and girls, so put on those thinking caps. How would you feel if you stepped in a pile of strawberries? Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. Okay, boys and girls, sing along with me. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song, Groovy. Sing along with me, boys and girls. I love my brown shoes. 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 It's question time. How do you think the large mud puddle got there? Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All of the brown, all of the blue, all of the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song, Rock and Roll. Come along, boys and girls, and sing along with me. I love my wet shoes. 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 The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song because it's all good. The end. So now I want to know which part of the story did you like? Ready for some fun? It's activity time. Stop by the Anson County Partnership for Children or a little library to pick up a Storytime activity bag. There are shoes for you to paint and yarn if you would like to add laces. Note, all materials needed for this activity is located inside of the bag. Have fun and get creative.